Hi guys, I'm Jeremy Reyes from Pioneer Philippines. Right now, didiscuss natin yung mga bagong modelo ng amplifier ni Pioneer na Champion Series. Meron tayong tatlong modelo. Number 1, yung GMDC 874, GMDC 871, GMDC 971. So, ano ba yung mga pinagkaiba-iba niya? GMDC 874 is 4 channel, bridgeable to 3 channel and 2 channel. GMDC 871 is mono amplifier, which is 1,600 watts, and GMDC 971 is mono amplifier, meron siyang 2,400 maximum power. For GMDC 874 Champion Series, meron tayong 80 watts RMS, 4 channel, 300 watts RMS for 2 channel, 4 ohms, 120 watts 4 channel by 2 ohms, and 80 watts times 4 by 4 ohms. So, dito yung bass boost, yung RCA, yung sa channel A, then sa channel B. Other side naman, nandito yung mga speaker terminal, yung fuse, and then yung sa power supply, then yung design niya. Sa ito box, meron tayo manual, and then yung RCA, yung sa high input, whether you choose high input or yung RCA. Then yung warranty card with authorized service center at the back, and then yung serial number na kailangan ka parehas dun sa unit and dun sa warranty card. Then yung registration for additional warranty na 3 months. For GMDC 871, meron tayong 300 watts RMS by 4 ohms, 500 watts RMS by 2 ohms. For GMDC 871, meron tayong RCA, input saka output. Meron tayong gain control, frequency control, and then yung bass boost. Okay? Ito yan. The other side, meron tayong power supply, and then yung fuse, and also yung subwoofer terminal, o yung speaker output. Sa ilalim, meron tayong serial number, and yung sticker warranty. Also manual and installation screws, and then yung RCA or yung high input connector, and warranty card with serial number na same sa box at sa unit, and yung authorized service center din. And then for GMDC 971, meron tayong 500 watts by 4 ohms, 800 watts by 2 ohms, and 1,200 watts by 1 ohm. Siyempre meron pa rin tayong bass boost and variable LPM. RCA output saka input, and then yung sa gain, frequency, and bass boost na adjustment nandito, gold plated, yung honeycomb filter Champion Series Pro, and supply, power supply, and then yung speaker, subwoofer terminal, then yung fuse natin. Siyempre, ang kagandahan pa rin ng Champion Series, hindi pa rin nawala yung honeycomb filter design, and then yung glossy type or Pioneer amplifier, trademark na yan. And then yung adjustment sa gilid ng amplifier, LPF niya, and then yung RCA input and output, and yung high input, meron pa rin tayo dyan. For GMDC 971, yung gold-plated design niya na nasa gilid. Pangalawa, yung mataas na power output. Champion Series na amplifier ni Pioneer is highly recommended for TS1675B3 or GMDC 874. And then sa mga Champion Series sa subwoofer naman ni Pioneer like TSW 3004, D4, and TSW 32S4 for mono amp like GMDC 971 and GMDC 871. So sa mono amp ng Champion Series, designed and tuned to produce deep and loud quality of sound for subwoofer. For GMDC 874 naman, designed for loud and more clarity for speakers, especially for Champion Series na speaker ni Pioneer. Materials na ginamit for Champion Series, syempre andun pa rin yung mga high capacitor, yung mga Class D amplifier na materials na ginamit. For safety features on buying Pioneer products, kindly check the distributor warranty sticker na meron sa box, and then yung hologram ng distributor nandito sa upper left part. Then syempre nandun din yung warranty card para sa warranty. You can buy Pioneer products at Pioneer Certified Installer, Pioneer Authorized Reseller, and also in our Lazada shop or yung last mall namin, Pioneer Philippines, and also in Shopee or yung shop mall, Pioneer Philippines. Para sa mga legit at original na Pioneer products. So again, if you want to see another videos or update for Pioneer products, kindly follow our Facebook page, Pioneer Philippines, and also our YouTube channel, Pioneer Philippines. Again, I'm Jeremy Reyes. See you on our next video. Bye-bye.